To the health minister Mintah Akando akosake Confanochi Teaching Hospital ni CEO Dr. Pakwesi Bedu amana na Jantuah asini ko kwa pai wonte ase nti na obege kanadwen a kire Mintah Akando ama bia kofra NDC for mema nkire mu no a kire wadwen e de amame e wo comment section ayi penya block media mesra say didi mu obe like video ra ma subscribe button sabe click notification icon latest update and kire wadwen de amame e wo comment section oba so a so it was on 3rd June 2026 and a krata bi media ne so as okay nke man say emu e kire se Confanochi Teaching Hospital hono no omu accident and emergency unit hono no e ho aboma enipa e wose e fa facility litimi admit omu hono no e ho aboma be etiri from that time 3rd June no de e kono de omu sere omu ntimi admit obia e wo hobiem to their accident and emergency unit cause a hono ma ye ma ama even kwa no bed no kra no nipa mienu e che bed ba ko e wo hono mo mutreze because of that no we initiate immediate suspension to further admission of patient eti omusire say bia wakonya accident bi and bia situation a critical condition we emergency service yentimi admit ho because e ho ayema e ma ka teba montema na media so bia edi ho nkoma we ka kra na betiretire mu ene ade eno akire hu se Mintah Akando health minister ko kwa pai health minister won tiaze adentina Dr. Pakwesi Bedu ono ene the CEO of Confanochi Teaching Hospital no wajire ne tumi so se ehwa ayema emergency unit hwa ayema intrane we declare suspension to the accident and the emergency unit of KATH say na on tiaze ntino Mintah Akando agent ne tumi so initiate 2-week suspension Emma the CEO of KATH what I say or sanction or sanction to 2 weeks suspension solid beginning from that 3rd June. And I'm so Emma, the doctors of KATH, and your mother. It almost no ASSR no muda akudi nyina begu form. It omuda akudi nyina begu form na o ma demonstration we say o ma demonstration ma in fact na hospital hono no abia ro say enipa ekoi anokwa o ma nkoto doctors for hono mama o ma nya doctors anhwe wo mu.
I was here yesterday around 6 o'clock. And yesterday. So I came for results of lab. The doctor asked me to go and pay for lab. And I collected around 2 o'clock. So I waited to see a doctor. And later on, around 6 o'clock, the queue was almost about 50 people. So I left and went home. I came back this morning around 6 o'clock. And they asked me to wait. Up to now, it's 12 o'clock. My results is with me. There's no doctor to attend to me. So I'm now going home.
Clearly, this will affect your well-being and your health.
I'm an asthmatic patient. And when I came, they asked me to come for the lab. I shouldn't eat. So I was in empty stomach. So doesn't know the results I'll get. Maybe when I go home today or tomorrow, what will happen to me.
They do how much be 5 o'clock. The buy room my lie. Echo the card the idea. Actually, and Sammy Abbey. TV no see and my doctor and like now from bed 7 o'clock some about 12 to 1. I feel my back actually say I say open back. I say yes, Sammy. I'm say doctors in Tiasi. My doctors near the echo strike. In Tia or had a moon to me a day, entry. Tina the sign a day, and coffee. Tina, I have to something a day. Yeah, she's one from me and I see and come for Dr. Denny or a
Now, since I didn't know, yeah.
It is a mini BBI, this is the Crowder Hospital, and I say, so by you go. Oh, I need I don't know what it is, and they almost say a card no Madiamayan. 3 days into say no man, I am on fire from near to Monday. Say, Omu strike will be on bound, betting about with my actually. So, Moonfree would actually sky to 29. I am quite.
Papa, some better now, they say state. They say state and better now. And the afternoon, you say doctors were every share. They see on my catcher say young corner doctors cost right. It's in the idea. And you say a fire bag, yeah. That's sorry, I am. And you say they are near probably
Hey, yeah. Uyale as a hospital. About hospital, one hospital. There's anybody I no one.
Oh, then what's the next? So, okay, yes, you can go private. Didn't ever.
I'm not buy.
Yeah, by 7 o'clock. And so to them, you can't see on. What does it? And yeah,
That's how do you coin.
is it a coffee? Is it anyway? It may be a coffee. It's a dynamic. And you're really yummy by.
I'm saying better on the internet. It's not obi a candidate. A BC doctor no anya there. I didn't know to me so a declare suspension on the accident and emergency unit. Confirmate. You don't have the power to do that. Now, Kaikras or appointment no. Part you and the amount. And I say, oh yeah, the open. Oh yeah, Kokotakunia. But now for refi the situation at hand. Hospital ni power pomode. Facility be only part of it. Admit here. Ya do tell man abroso ayama enipa mienu kwatimi share bed baako che say ayama the doctor na adwo betimi aye as enipa a wonti mobro obetimi aye de agi nipa nkwa waye ayama abuso ontimi admit biem but ebi mo entiase am as I speak to you now cry no the doctors are still on suspension as ebi mo jai but still OPD1 and obi a madwuma just say o man set tables cry near the crown campus ya be show say ya ji obi to hold with there na ne we na air course no eno ana na Jantuah see the mama nka bi na Jantuah ko kwa pai na ne kwabra Mintah Akando head minister what it that fan sound where is Jantuah eka
mama nka ntre energy eyaganze health minister honorable Mintah Akando. And now be use words be I want to maintain it. Decision now taking here in Kwadasem. And I repeat. I am Kwada any take his decision. One general one quetry. There way and we can say premature ejaculation. I say oh bantem. Because decision now take here and when yanti asi any hunumu. And I would decide they say over take decisions are and pass mu. Na me medical catch am say politicians munsua de na maso odene na ye kan say ya muntie na mubetie a na tese Ghana fo to atia mo me se den hu se motena konya ne so a eya na ye bayi o se ye ka bibia no maso asi ye ka bibia no maso asi tese muntimi ntina se hu se na decision me take nyansa wo decision yi mu o tinkran konfano che o ma ho Minister, we are health minister, we are redentama now ye MP, we are confanochi ne share. Confanochi, we are unya accident. Honorable Mintah Akando, health minister, now ye MP, Gaboso, unya accident, confanochi a uba ya na ye chokuno ene hell. Sa ubetie me commentary a emre bia aban we ba foforo. Me kan ye say, see you are no Professor N0NSENSE. Then time confanochi yare. Odin hihye bi bae ma yewura e supporte Professor N0NSENSE. E mamuti ko bi heal confanochi. E me nyina hu say confanochi na ehwe ye no say confanochi wo problem. Enu nti yewura e bodwa e ma Ghana fo nyina de ntoboa kakra e supporte ye. Mo ba ya na mo say papa no oye MPP ni nti mapam no. Ye mo bi katra mo say de mo ye no nyansan ni ade nim NDC for me kan said de mo NDC for mo ye no nyansan ni mu because papa no ba ye na confanochi nyafe papa no ba ye no me ka Professor N0NSENSE e wo mu say MPP e na de ne bai na mom papa ni be wie na djuma ye sa renew ntinka this year e na djuma e be wie which is November 2026 e na nka na djuma ba no wa hye djuma die bi ase anka betimi aboa mo si da bi na nyo no kwa na timi ye bi ma na ye ye ka kire wo say CEO na mo de ne ba no obenya problem because platform ni the way a Professor N0NSENSE asha ase no munya ma ni nya adwuma ni wie mo si da bi ana mo de politics MP NDC mpanyifo me kai se sabre no me ni NDC mpanyifo dodo na di nkomo say papa e won se ma aban na aba Nemo Professor N0NSENSE momma ne kwan no ntimi nya adwuma ne moamo because papa no wani monyama yewura edi ne monyama beta kirama Ghana fo kakra konfanoche ekonanim Manfi Friday bi anopa ena honorable Mintah Akando the same MP a woyare Professor Ochira de mensa ene hwe wo no o friend ne ka che ne say ya pam no ntu onko or the foforo ba beba ye ka che mu say munhwe ye because comfort not a problem no muyi na e the problem beba ye kan me ka asem no the records are there and this if anti ase enye ono kwa na timi ye ene CEO na mo amode ba ya mo so obetimi aye adwuma no obaye na oye adwuma and this thing let me tell you CEO no comfort not no me onim say me ni na ni nhia onim dada but with this call me I believe in principles me defending me enemy when he's doing the right thing. See what comfort not sa issue way there. They will take it better than that childish decision and that decisions now health minister take it no. Adai. Didn't they say politicians muna Ghana yamudia. It's a much in kaya no decide no trotro sabi nsem hunu bi na de bre ya pamono oko ya suspending no onye say na sabi doctors ne so mu ko striker na enkwadan ketenkete totofe wafo moni nam social media mumbo brother eye politics inti ena mumu bi politics inti o ye mu bi kasa mu didi atam so asa aka ho ana bu Mintah Akando sa wo decisions no e bia NDC fo be kase wa ya ade ba nyansanim I'm telling you school no mun kondu obia mun kon enche obia munim nyansa nche obia okrom ha eya manyo enyenye na ebetimi aye NDC ne MPP man ko school anche obia na mo be gina ho abe te say de mu take decisions am ye heaven and am ye bofo nipa ewu because of childish decision and kwada decisions now take in nipa ewu CEO now so nko fie 2 weeks no o suspending no ama emergency unit mu abai Minister of Health Mintah Akando me no na ekasa o suspending no eyi ni free ho no me busa wo say ama hospital mu abai once we take decisions and we take decisions to say sabi mo plan it na sa throw letter asaba e be chirechirem who cares about chirechiremu munye serious mama memo ye te say de mama memo ye te say de dey nyansa e wo mu ne say afari ni various regional hospitals yesi mu nsikura mu nsiye na confirm not wo mu ye de betimi aboa se de be obi mewu wo ho empanyfo doctors empanyfo net na say planning say this is what we can do to help the situation. What me and Wunyan Sabian Transia Musom say, dear Muye, and your bebo ya band there be premature ejaculation. Sorry, ya pamo cock, and you say, the president into Yamahai. President John Dramani Mahama, too briefly, and say, President, this was the situation now, and the President Bekato said Pamono. And you be beyond politics. It will be a show from the door so do. Etebia we are not the camera kosi suni agani aye Mintah Akando na unkofo ufuso je hwe me de bia makato se me matremu amini amanyofo e de na MPP fo anya me ba ye kan no muntie enu njai ma de wo se me kamenka mu ye say ya na mo honya akono pe NDC fo munye careful NDC fo munye careful mutrimu ya ayam de President John Dramani ma utrimu ya ayam de Ghana for etutu bi my MPP niti utimu ya ode you think say ubetimi aye de ope utimu ya ode Ghana for kasa na trimu na ye dollar ni ate no hwan ya ate no in inflation into utimu ya ode yes reset who can reset ni kire say enye MPP for so na de be gina so e de abuman na wati wo be gina MPP so aye tutia wo mu enti wo ye bibia wo se na MPP for de woni be enti eto abatia wo mu emre bi MPP me katro mu se munya na John Mahama because say John Mahama na ye wo standard de na wo faili I said it is also resetter you look at the standard uti kromu ha mo tete ebi wo kro won tu kwan de nti wo ka won tie on tu kwan da obi a watu kan wo tu kwan a wo nim o mo ko hospitals na wo nim abrochire mo wa emmoa hospitals nyina abrochire wo kra yare a omutimi nya wo hospital no mo de neko Kanaman hospital okra omutimi ahwa nipa eni mmoa nyina ka ho eya hwe e omo nyina anim abrochire me so mo wo mmoa hospital ye nipa kra we are struggling waba instead of you to get money ubenye sika ode be hye na yetimi aba by hospitals ni mu no what you wanna would take a certain unnecessary decisions and uncle for support you mo doctors in school ko striker na mo say tron so huru kire mo na ka say doctor ye player o ka say doctor antete no ti say player bi a ni namu bu a kudus namu bu ni akwa obi foforo so nkobo o ka say doctor antete doctor to be 7 years 10 years 15 years we build the experience and say doctor ba ko ka so striker do you know what it means? Do you know what it means? How many doctors now will Krumha? Honorable Mintah Akando, health minister, how many doctors now will Krumha? Makati amusa mum farmer you semu begreen no biao. Senya ya se be an man yosema nka imumu bi ho okra na nka ebia ka ye betimi akwa ni matemo. Health ministry be treating ye hian treating mu airtime munyan sanse hunu no. The issue ni say enyesa wo pamu CEO. Mfaso bia ni so Nyansa nim ayam kwadasem and I still repeat. We need to be serious as a country. You take decisions are maturity, emotional maturity, leadership. Assembly bar, unyan to boasen wet see afan no say okay when I was me taking decisions. No I calm. And to be beginning now the solution beba no. Na anything na uye bibia scientifically. Asamuba and to boasie no one should be a friend of alternatives. That is how you take decisions. Asamba unya botre problem nini. What are the alternatives? Okay, me yeni say me say me fa me say yeni say we ne be say woni mpanyifo bi nso adwene ho say ade mpese me yeni na odwene ho say uya ya build bi friend hypothesis ne say wadwen po say me yesi oyi ana me suspending na ede ne beba ebeboa sa situation na anase se me ma ne tena ho na me yeni say ebeboa eno ne ede dwene hwe we nyina ye ko schools kosua de o enti wo dwene wo say hypothesis no wa dwen po ne say me yesi o a ebe solve problem no se me ma see o ne tena ho na me yeni say ebe solve problem na me de me susu say kasi yo ne ti ho e na oye na dwuma na okoboa no say de mo ye yenyin say na ntimi mu a keno beboa chen enkwada decisions na wo take ye na onkrofo ye NDC for no e kamfo a omo ye diodum wa ya ade e na hwan me maka cho say me katangani me de adidi atem ne numsuo me de adidi atem na numsuo nti wo ye me enkame me ma emfa me ho but there was some me kameka because of posterity. Muna mo say CEO ne yade e na mo ni professor Chira N0NSENSE free ho e na ode bae obae na oye na adwuma nso a mo se wonko me say 2 weeks suspension now so wonko ye dey 2 weeks suspension okoye dey ye investigation aye dey what in kind confirm not how many times mo aba ho the last time mo ba ho no ni ye hwe wo yade mo tete nkran na we take this any nasty decisions bia na support mo na ye hwam di na mo ye dem pe Ghana must work aferi gunrem President John Mahama Eurojet project a yewra kofo kwaje ya NDC for hyase mo hyase mu aferi sewua ne nasefo no edaso gunrem nim I don't care whether MPP for na MBA no mu bie na for kofo kwaje ya NDC for hyase mo hyase mu aferi sewua ne nasefo no edaso gunrem nim I don't care whether MPP for na MBA no mu bie na sefo enu ntini eto abetia MPP wo de ne say come and fix it because of fix ya after inquire 500 beds yeah the success is never bro what kind of life is this and the health minister in some na wo keka no ye nya yo say I talk too much na me sorry anopa me yede I talk too much no me sorry no panka me centroni me tonyom ka me ba na me tonyom SD for nyom. Let's be serious as a country. Yama amanyofo any NDC who fu soldier who defend a politician who nimu. Me medical culture from Dr. Bawumia to the last person penifoni obi anime. From President John Mahama to the last person who nimu uti a tray ye fu soldier issue. Social media now who defend a politician with life. Ye can't say instead of you to support us to fight them no. They be NPP for years anyo they be na me catch them say NPP for mulu so am ho betri mu ene me hu MPP fo ni bia wo hu ma ekom crash ase adu mu MPP fo na first no obekọ Lankasa no akọ no nsuo no ekom de no ba me kan sa asem we se me MPP mu lusu a me meguso aye adwuma NDC mu lusu a ha me meguso aye adwuma wo ena bia wo pese obreki whatever 8 wo na pese wa ban tena so enya me but me yensem so ni a eye man Ghana die me ma wo amanyoni no o meche se woni nyansa chen Ghana for dodo na sa line koto aba no
to the word of mama e comment section ayi Penyah Block Media Accra.